Namaskar Mitrano. Today we are going to start first module of BEEE, that is DC circuits. The prerequisite for DC circuits you have learned in 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, that is voltage, current, resistance, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's voltage law, Kirchhoff's current law and series and parallel circuits. If you learn how to apply this knowledge for this DC circuit chapter, you can easily understand all the concepts which are included in this chapter, that is various types of theorem, various types of source transformation, star delta transformation. You can easily solve the numericals based on it, because this chapter already have told you it is having 90% of numericals and small theory topics. Okay, so you have to concentrate on solving the numericals in this chapter. जर तुम्हाला ह्या सगळ्या जे आपले शिकलेलो आहोत 9वी 10वी 11वी 12वी मध्ये व्होल्टेज, करंट, रेझिस्टन्स, ओहम्स लॉ, केव्हीएल आणि केसीएल आणि सिरीज पॅरलल सर्किट्स, जर ह्याचं नॉलेज तुम्हाला असेल आणि तुम्हाला समजलं की हे कसं अप्लाय करायचं, तर तुम्ही या डीसी सर्किट्स मधल्या ज्या काही थेरम्स आहेत, जे काही न्यूमरिकल्स आहेत, स्टार डेल्टा ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन आहे, पुन्हा सोर्स ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन आहे, या गोष्टींना तुम्ही हे नॉलेज अप्लाय करून इझिली न्यूमरिकल सॉल्व करू शकता आणि जास्तीत जास्त मार्क्स स्कोर करू शकता. ह्या चॅप्टरचा सर्वात महत्त्वाचा पार्ट मीन्स ओहम्स लॉ. We know how to state Ohm's law. If there is one conductor and if you are applying some voltage at the two ends of that conductor, current starts flowing through it. And this current is directly proportional to the voltage which you are applying. Or reverse way you can say that the voltage which we are applying is directly proportional to the current flowing through that conductor. Okay, so V is directly proportional to I, and in the equation form we can write V is equal to IR, where R is the constant of proportionality. We are calling it as a resistance of that conductor. If you are taking different material, you will get the value of resistance is different for that material. So simply we can say V is equal to IR is the Ohm's law. If you want to find any one quantity from this, you can draw this triangle which represents voltage, current and resistance. So if you want to find voltage, you have to take the multiplication of I and R. If you want to find resistance, you can take division of V and I. If you want to find current, you can take ratio of V and R. Now here we learn three definitions related to electrical circuit. One is the voltage, second one is the current, third one is the resistance. Because for this DC circuit chapter we must know these three terms. Okay, so first term is the voltage, which is nothing but a potential difference between two electrical points. And because of this difference, the current starts flowing from higher potential to the lower potential value. So current is nothing but flow of electrons from high potential to low potential. And third one, whenever there is a conductor, current flowing through it, it gets some opposition. This opposition is nothing but the resistance of that conductor. So voltage, current and resistance. Resistance is nothing but the opposition to the flow of current. Current is nothing but the flow of electrons, and if there is a voltage difference, potential difference, then only this current flows in a circuit.